Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, this is what this video is about. Keep on watching. I'm taking my concealer. This is Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using that to prime my eyelids. Taking my Juvia's Zulu palette, I'm going on to that purple shade, and I'm applying that with a small brush on my crease and towards the edges, then taking that brown shade to blend it out, and then cutting my crease using a white concealer using a very tiny brush, and then going to this yellow shade from the Zulu palette and packing that on my inner corner of the eye. I'm then taking this orange color and I'm going to place that next to the yellow and blend, and then taking a pink shade and adding that all over the lid, then taking a green shimmer shade and use that on my inner corner, and of course some mascara to complete the look, and eyeliner, and this is the W7 liquid eyeliner, which is one of my faves, and we've popped in the lashes. So I'm applying my primer, and this is the L'Oreal illuminating primer, and I'm blending that with a brush. I also restyled my hair, and going to my foundation. This is the e.l.f. Flawless foundation, one of my faves, and I'm blending that with a brush all over my face. You guys can see how flawless that is. Yeah, just dab till you get a smooth application. To highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade number 45, and using a damp beauty blender, I am tapping that onto my skin, making sure everything is smooth and well distributed. So I'm alternating between the right and the left side to set my face. I'm using the Juvia's setting powder, and this is in the shade Kalahari. I'm using the same damp beauty blender to basically push that powder into my skin, and honestly this is not one of my favorite setting powders to work with because it gets a bit patchy. I'm still finding a way to go around it because this is like the 4th time I'm trying, and each time it keeps disappointing me. So if you guys have tried this Juvia's powder, kindly share some tips on how to make it work, because I'm tired of trying. To contour, I'm using this Fit Me powder. This is in the shade Espresso, and I'm just blending that with a small fluffy brush on my cheekbones, my hairline. You know the drill. For my nose contour, I'm using a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just using a bit of the powder on the nose. Don't use too much so it won't be too exaggerated. Yeah. And then the bridge of the nose. Then using the Fit Me powder in the shade Toffee to set my whole face, because that Juvia's powder got me looking so weird. Yeah, so this is just going to fix the whole situation, because there is nothing this compact powder cannot do, because it has very amazing coverage. So it's gonna hide like any weird thing that setting powder was trying to do, because okay, that setting powder is just not something I like, honestly. So I'm also using it to kind of define my contour by placing it below the contour, and I'm just using this brush and applying it all over my face, and it's starting to bring me back to life, because I was looking honestly like a ghost. Thanks to the Juvia's powder. Yeah, so I'm just like blending my face with that powder. I'm also taking this e.l.f. highlighter in the shade Apricot Glow. So I'm starting out by highlighting the nose, then the top of my lip, and the highest point of my cheeks. I'm then taking my City Color Matte Setting Spray. This is literally going to be our second lifesaver. Then taking this pink lipstick by Huda Cosmetics. And that is a final look. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and hit the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So let me guys know your comments for this look. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.